Hi everybody, welcome to the Crafty Corner. It's Katrina. So we are gonna go into Bargain Hunt and see what Bargain Hunt got going on today, y'all. So look, here's some Christmas candy, and this is a 12-day countdown. Each little pocket has some kisses in it, and look, here are the hot chocolate bath bombs. These were $1.79, and they have the color bombs as well. I thought those were pretty good finds. This is a giant mug. It says I'm down to just 1 cup a day, but it is a big cup. So I wanted to show you how big it is with my hand next to it holding it by the handle. It is a super big mug. And then they have some more Christmas items. They have these Hershey mugs and the Reese mugs. And they are $8. So I'll be waiting for the prices of these to go down, or picking these up as the prices go down. Now these were mugs that have the hot chocolate with them, and they're in the characters, Star Wars characters. It's called a goblet with hot chocolate mix. And there's Yoda and Darth Vader. And then they had Bluey. This is jumbo gummy candy, y'all. They had Spider-Man, and these were $4. Then I went over here to the toy section, and as you can see, the toys are not on sale yet. So they're still pretty pricey right now. This Superman is $29. And they have the Batman. So I'll be keeping my eye on these toys for them to go down. And these will go down because this is Bargain Hunt. And that's what it does. I thought this was pretty cool. It has 4 action figures in it. And these are the large size dolls. And it was really nice. Batman, Flash versus the gorilla and that little fish thing, whatever it is. Anyway, this was $29. And then they had this Jedi play castle. It was $20. And I almost got it, y'all. I thought, no, I'm going to wait till it goes down, because they had several of them. But this is the Young Jedi. And it is a pretty big play set. And you can actually play on both sides of this. And then they had the Dream Villa, which is really cute. And then these are just some dolls. They have the Beauty and Friend Wighead. And then they have these Barbies. These Barbies were $6.99. Really cute. So I'll be keeping my eye for those to go down, y'all. And some other toys, Princess, that concepts they have. These were $3.99, but they were real small. These are the mini dolls. And then they had some larger ones up there. Gabby Dollhouse. This Gabby Dollhouse set was $7.99. And it is the cakey oven, I think it's called. The cakey oven. And yes, I did get that. $16.99. This is a 5-piece Barbie set. Look at those Barbies. They are beautiful. or I should say 5-piece princess set. This is a 1-piece princess set that comes with all the dresses, and it was $9.99. It's more than 1 piece, but it was 1 doll. And this was another doll, and these are called Ellie. There's Chelsea, Barbie. These are the I call these the baby Barbies. And they also have these Barbie dolls that were $19.99. And this is Belle. And as you can see, they have quite a few of these. And then, of course, My Little Pony. And these My Little Pony. That little pony there was $10. This set here, $8.99. And on and on. They had several of these. And they have the LOL balls. And there's that Wish Castle that everyone has been hauling. These are the LOL balls. These balls were $10, I do believe. Yeah, $10. More LOL. And then they had the Minnie Mouse play set. It's called the Adventure Playland. That child in it looks almost too big to be in there, though. All right, and then we have Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig has, they had a lot of items for Peppa Pig here. And these are a lot of the big items that, that are selling in Peppa Pig. And of course, these wagons. They had the red wagons, the blue trucks, and the pink wagons. Coco Melon, $9.99. And this is the Coco Melon case. And then they had some arts and craft items too, that are also not yet on sale, but these are what is in my bargain hunt right now and what I'll be keeping an eye on. Now, they did have some items on sale. And of course, you know, I went over there and looked at those items as well. So this is a arts and craft kit, and it was pricey. These are the giant play packs, and I have several of these that I got when they were on sale. I paid $1 for them, so they did go down to $1. They've gotten more in, but they didn't get any of the superheroes, Marvel or anything like that in. So they still have the Afro unicorn. These are the big Lego blocks that are in the big crowns. And they were, I believe, $10 each. They have these beautiful Hello Kitty bags back here. And these are $19, $19.99. Then I found these Snoopy blankets with the matching slippers. I thought these were really cute. And those were $19.99. Now we have some perfume sets here. These perfume sets were $5 each. And they also had them for the men. Very, very good price for $5 each for these. So, my phone went dead at Bargain Hunt, so I didn't get to film everything, but make sure you tune in tonight at 7 p.m. for the actual haul and what I did pick up at Bargain Hunt tonight. Excuse me, at Bargain Hunt tonight. I look forward to seeing you all. You all be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing.